One day, these small moments will be the big moments. On a rain-soaked street, Ella trudged, umbrella-less and lost in thought. Her heart ached with the weight of a recent goodbye, the echo of her father's last hug still lingering. As raindrops mingled with silent tears, a stranger's smile cut through the gray, a simple gesture that held warmth and understanding. It was a moment unguarded, unexpected, a reminder that even in sorrow, light can seep through. In that fleeting exchange, Ella felt the presence of gratitude, a gentle nudge to cherish the now. She paused, breathed, and let the rain cleanse her spirit. Life's beauty lay not in grand gestures but in these tender, unanticipated connections. As she walked on, her heart lighter, Ella resolved to share a smile of her own, to weave her own thread of kindness into the world. Pause. Breathe. What's one thing you're grateful for right now?